Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all the things you need to know as a channel. Small YouTuber. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe. So here you see I have 277 subscribers. Here, yeah. And and when I go to this page, it's 278. How is that even possible? Okay. Uh, then let's keep these. And first, you would like to make a mm, community and playlist, upload videos, and get more subscribers. Okay, then I commented this. Hi. Now let's get started. So here you see is branding, and there's a little bit watermark over there, and come click this and click if need a watermark. That is, click that link, then you will get a one watermark. Then change it over here. That video watermark, and go to basic info, and you can put links on there, and you maybe already know these. So you see your dashboard, the content, analytics, and let's go to dashboard. Yeah. And mm, you see the upcoming trailer. I know, but you can go to live life, and here you can see your mm, views, comments, likes, and dislikes. You see there's just one like on this short. And here is if you need to make a mm, playlist. Click playlist and create a new playlist. Give your title, description, and visibility, and create. Hi guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And be sure to smash that like button with your phone. And thank you for watching, and good